Hey guys, welcome to another recipe video. This video will be making fish stew using Banga, fillet Banga fish. If you haven't subscribed already, please support us by subscribing. You'll be notified whenever we post a new video every week. Hope you enjoy this video. You can find the list of the ingredients in the description box below. We'll be using tomato paste. I'm using tomato paste from the tube. Hot pepper, I'm using my Riri pepper. Fish seasoning, half of a medium onion, salt, minced garlic, and green seasoning. You can find the recipe for the minced garlic and the green seasoning on this channel. I would mix my tomato paste about 1 tablespoon into a more diluted solution. I'm going to season my fish with the fish seasoning, a little bit of salt and black pepper. I'm going to set this aside while I chop my onions and pepper. Now fry our fish for the fish stew. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil. Place each fish gently onto the frying pan. I'm going to fry each side for about 2.5 minutes. Fish doesn't take long to cook, so you don't want to overcook it. I flip these over to cook for another 2 minutes on the other side. I'll now set these aside and start preparing my pot for the stew. As it is right now, these fish are well cooked. I'm gonna add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil to saute my onions to begin with. Keep stirring this onion to allow it to get transparent. Then I'll add some other ingredients. I'll add some tomato paste and the rest of the ingredients that was in the plate, the minced garlic and green seasoning. Allow this to cook for another minute on medium. I'll add my pepper, a little bit of salt. Mix this up. Then I'll add my tomato paste that was diluted with water. Keep stirring this. Allow this to cook for another 12 minutes on medium. You want the onion and other ingredients to get tender. This is the base for the fish. Now we'll add the fish that was fried and set aside. We'll leave the fish inside cooking on medium for about 5 minutes. We're going to leave it longer. And that's it. Fish stew. It's a very simple, easy to make and delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed that recipe from Guyanese stuff. Show us your support by subscribing. Do remember to check out the other videos on our channel. We have a lot of recipes. Until next time, bye.